if meron kang problema sa dark spots, melasma, and other dark skin pigmentation, this video is for you. Hi guys! It's me again, Princita with a double T, and welcome back to my channel! Hi guys! So yun na nga, hello sa inyo. So I'm very sorry kung hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video last week kasi sobrang naging busy ako sa work and ang dami ko din inatupag sa trabaho ko. So ayun na nga, ngayon lang ako nakapag-time na gumawa ng video. But I think this is the perfect timing to make this video kasi sobrang maraming beses ko na siyang na-try. And actually, they sent me this PR package last year pa ng December. Ngayon lang talaga ako gumawa ng video kasi, of course, I need to try it first para malaman ko na it's worth to share sa mga viewers ko and sa inyo na nanonood sa mga videos ko. So, ayun nga guys, if you're like me na merong problema sa dark spots, melasma, and other dark skin pigmentation, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so ang tinutukoy ko sa inyo na product is itong Suavicine. I don't know if that's how you read it, Suavicine. That's S-A-U-V-I-N, Suavicine. S-A-U-V-A-S-I-N-E. So, I don't know if yun talaga yung dapat na pag-pronounce nyon, Suavicine, but that's how I read it. So, you can correct me sa description box down below kung paano siya basahin. And, ayun na nga guys, ang brand na nagpadala sa akin is yung Pansy. So anyway guys, let's start. Okay guys, so ito yung product nila and as you can see sa packaging pa lang mismo is makikita mo na yung turmeric. So yung turmeric pala guys is yung luyang dilaw. Alam niyo yun, yung luyang dilaw, yun yung turmeric. So ito yung mga main ingredients ng mga product na to. So first guys, ito yung tatlo muna yung mga ginamit ko. So it's a perfect combo para sa skincare nyo kasi ito is clay mask. Pero hindi ko siya everyday na ginagamit guys ha. Like thrice a week or twice a week ko siya ginagamit. Yung mga to is pangalawang ano ko na to. Kasi yung isa is tinapon ko na kasi naubos na nga. Kasi nung December ko pa nga siya nagamit. Ayun nga guys, let's start first with their Turmeric facial cleanser. So yung packaging niya and nakasulat dito is Turmeric facial cleanser. Sweet aroma, lightens dark spots and a wrinkle. Meron nakasulat dito na sweet aroma. Alam nyo guys, every time na ginagamit ko, sobrang refreshing niyang gamitin kasi hindi siya like yung matapang na turmeric. Actually, hindi ko nasa-smell sa kanya yung pagka-turmeric niya. It's more on, parang siyang hilaw na mangga. For me ha, parang siyang hilaw na mangga talaga. Every time I use it, nasa-smell ko talaga yung amoy niya. Proceed tayo agad sa usage methods. Pour an appropriate amount of product on the palm of your hand, then gently massage it onto your face until lather. Wash the foam with water, repeat morning and night. So again guys, ginagamit ko to every morning and every night. And sobrang nagustuhan ko to kasi talagang deep cleansing siya. Like, sobrang nalilinis niya talaga. And let's now proceed with the Turmeric Serum. So ito yung Turmeric Serum nila guys. And nakasulat din dito na curcuma longa added, anti-aging, balance and even skin, natural formula, and fresh aroma. And nakasulat din dito sa usage method, wash and dry your face, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto the palm of clean hand and use fingertips to massage into face and neck until fully absorbed, and follow up with your favorite moisturizer, and again, repeat every morning and every night. Ito naman yung clay mask niya. Yung clay mask naman is ito yung Turmeric Clay Mask, Vitamin C and Aloe. Wow! Diba? It's very good kasi meron na siyang turmeric and then vitamin C and aloe vera. So again guys, we all know na ang aloe vera is also very good for our skin. And meron din dito sa usage is after cleansing, toning, and applying mask, apply to face, neck, and hand. Use every morning and evening. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung mga nakasulat dito sa packaging nila. It's very direct, and kung paano natin ginagamit yung ibang skincare natin is ganun lang din siya kung paano natin siya dapat gamitin. So, yun na nga. Let's talk about the benefits na makukuha natin dito mismo sa product na to. First one is treat acne. So, as we all know guys, na yun talaga yung number one na problema or common na problema sa mga babae, sa lalaki, is yung acne nila. So again guys, you can use this product para matreat yung acne nyo. Kasi yung turmeric guys is meron siyang antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties para ma-prevent niya yung pag-spread ng bacteria, para ma-stop niya yung pag-spread ng acne nyo. Okay guys, so the second one is vanishes dark circles. So isa din yan sa mga problema natin, yung dark circles. Nakukuha natin siya minsan sa pagpupuyat natin. Sometimes yung iba is heredity talaga. Like, wala naman silang ibang ginawa. Pero talagang maitim talaga yung under eyes nila. So, kasi heredity yon. And sometimes din, skin pigmentation. Nagkukause din siya ng pag-itim ng ating dark circle. I mean, under eyes and sometimes guys, like, pag nirarap mo siya ng grabe, nagkukause din yun ng pag-itim ng ating under eyes. So, yun nga guys, as I've mentioned kanina, na meron siyang anti-inflammatory and meron din siyang lightening agents. Kaya niya na-whiten yung under eyes natin. So, if you also don't know guys, na yung turmeric is, it also promotes blood circulation, kaya na-reduce niya din yung puffiness ng ating under eyes. So the third benefit that we can get is lighten scars and marks. So guys, if you don't know na yung turmeric is meron siyang curcumin na main active ingredient niya, and it is also written here na meron siyang curcuma longa added. So yung ingredient na yun guys is it helps reduce excess melanin production. Kaya niya nalalighten yung scars, and it also balances an even skin tone dahil dun sa curcumin. Okay guys, so the fourth benefit that we can get sa product na to is it helps our skin moisturize. So especially guys, if hindi ka mahilig uminom ng tubig at saka sobrang lamig outside, it makes our skin look dull and sobrang dehydrated tingnan. So guys, every time I use this clay mask, so yung clay mask na to is meron siyang vitamin C and aloe vera. Every time I use this product, parang ang soft and hydrated at saka sobrang healthy tingnan yung skin natin. So the fifth benefit is prevents early signs of aging. So the fifth benefit guys is prevents early signs of aging. Kung hindi nyo alam guys, yung cause ng mga fine lines and wrinkles, yung nagko-cause ng mga early signs of aging is yung UV rays. Kaya sobrang importante na lagi talaga tayong mag-sunscreen. But you know guys, kung hindi na natin yan mape-prevent kasi andyan na yan, you can use this product kasi kung hindi nyo alam guys na yung turmeric is very rich with antioxidant properties. So, nahi-help niya na ma-reduce yung fine lines at saka wrinkles nyo. Okay guys, so yun yung mga benefits na makukuha natin dito sa turmeric. So, ayun na nga guys, yun yung sobrang nagustuhan ko siya kasi to be honest, ang dami ko talagang dark spots guys. So, hindi nyo lang nakikita kasi sobrang, meron kasi akong ring light. Pero, if you could see, in person, sobrang inborn talaga guys. Ang dami ko ng dark spots kasi sa blood ko yan. Kaya meron akong maraming dark spots. Even dito sa shoulder ko, meron kayo makikita na dark spots. Kaya matagal na insecurity ko talaga is yung meron akong dark spots. So if meron naman akong way para ma-lesser yung para ma-lessen yung pagka-dark niya, so tinatry ko talaga. Kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko to kasi nung ginamit ko to guys, nung nakita ko na yung main nila na cream is it lightens dark spot. Ginamit ko talaga siya agad, consistently. Kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga siya. It really moisturizes my skin. As you can see, wala ako nilagay dyan. So, hindi talaga ako naglagay ng makeup, kahit highlighter, foundation, or kahit moisturizer, hindi talaga ako naglagay ng kahit ano dito sa mukha ko ngayon. Para makita nyo na sobrang yan talaga yung skin ko since nung ginamit ko to. So kanina, before filming this video, nag-skincare muna ako, nag-clay mask ako, and nag-cleanse din ako ng mukha, and ginamit ko tong serum. So yun lang talaga yung ginamit ko. Hindi na ako nag-makeup, nagkilay lang ako at saka lip tint. So yun lang yung nilagay ko sa aking mukha. But as you can see, it's very glowy. And since nung ginamit ko to, guys, sobrang dark talaga kasi ng dark spots ko. Like, consistently ginamit ko siya kasi I see the results, and sobrang effective din siya sa akin. And again, guys, it might work for me and hindi nag-work sa inyo, but you should try this product kasi sobrang all natural naman siya. So if you have sensitive skin, or if you have sensitive skin, wala kayong magiging problema kasi again, all natural yung ingredients niya. So guys, if you are interested to purchase this product, you can check the link down below. Okay guys, I think that's it. And if you like this video, please hit like. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, please comment down below, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, I think that's it, and see you on my next one. Bye!